Hello. In this video tutorial, we'll introduce you to the bidding aspects of our internet-only auctions. When you go to our website at www.rollerauction.com, you'll see our list of upcoming auctions. When you see this icon right here that says Internet Only, you click on that to get taken to our internet bidding applet. Once there, you'll see the list of the terms and conditions of the auction. These are very important. Down here under terms and conditions, it'll tell you the day of inspection, that this is internet only with no live auction, what the buyer's premium might be for that auction, and usually there's a discount in this premium for a cash or cash equivalent payment, when and how you make payment, and the removal terms and conditions. At a lot of our auctions, we will have a forklift available, especially when that's at our place, but you do need to check on this because many times that will not be the case, and you'll need to bring your own methods of loading your equipment. But once here, if you haven't registered for an auction, you would do it right at this point, but I'll take you down through some of these other buttons first. If you click on Catalog, this will give you a catalog listing of the items that you could print out and show you the different descriptions of the items. If we go back, you'll see a list of all items, items with photos, and then different categories of items. So if we go to photos only, you'll see the different lot listings. So here is lot 1A, description of the item. Here's the picture. Currently there are 5 bids. The high bidder is bidder 2504. Current bid is $10.01. Next bid required is 1101. And here you enter your bid and your maximum. It is very important here to make sure that you don't put your bid in your bid number, and that if you're entering a bid that you put decimal point. If you put 100, it'll take 100, but don't put 10000. It doesn't automatically enter your decimal point. In that case, you'd be at $10,000. Right now, there's 3 hours and 30 minutes until this lot closes, and you can refresh the bidding, and now there's 3 hours and 29 minutes. So this is an auction, since there's 3 hours and 29 here and 3:30 on the second item. 1 hour item is closing per minute. If you click on the picture thumbnail, you'll see a larger picture, and sometimes you'll see multiple pictures. Most of the time we'll try to put down here the click on icon for additional pictures, so you'll know when there are additional pictures. If during the bidding process you don't want to have the photos on, they're on here, you click off. And a lot of times when you're bidding, if you know the lots you're bidding on, this shows you more lots per page. So when you refresh, it always takes you back to the top of the page. You don't have as far to page down. So now we can go back to the on. Now we'll go up to register for a bid number. Now I'm going to try it here. Now the first thing I want to point out is you want to make sure that you write down your bid number and password. This will be used not only for this auction, but all other internet pre-bidding auctions that we use through our bidding functionality. So you put in your password, and I'm going to put in Roller and Dave at Roller Auction, and that filled in stuff I don't want. Dave, Roller and Associates, 7500 York Street, Denver, 80229, 303-289, 1600, and home phone, we'll delete that, cell phone. You'll see that there are certain ones that are necessary, so 303, I'll just make that the same, get rid of my, and shipping. Now, credit card number, you'll have to enter that, your type of credit card number, expiration date, security code here, and any other information if you have a promo code, which we don't have. Then you click that you've read the terms and conditions and you submit the form. Now it's going to tell me that I don't have all the information necessary, but that's what you do to register. Now in the next video, I'll take you through how you actually place some bids. I'll place a bid on one of these items just to show you how it works, and hopefully I won't be awarded the high bid. But that'll be in the next video. So now you have a brief rundown of how this works. This also works on our internet pre-bidding auctions. You do the same thing. It's just if that auction closes out the night before an actual live auction, and then those bids are placed for you in competition with the bidders that are on the floor at the auction. That's it for a brief overview of the internet-only auctions. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.